Saudara Nik Nazmi.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera, selamat malam. Kewalai P Tajahau. Wanakkam. Pimpinan Pakatan Rakyat, hadirin hadirat yang saya hormati sekalian. Congratulations to the people of Petaling Jaya for your big crowd tonight. We are in the final hours of campaigning before we close the 13th general election campaigns, the most important campaign in our country's history. Why is this the most important campaign in our country's history? Because finally we have the chance to take over Putrajaya. Yesterday, the Merdeka Center for Opinion Research, a very well-respected polling agency, came out with the result that 42% of Malaysians wanted to give Pakatan Rakyat a chance to run the government. Okay, there's an announcement. There's a